guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I have a deal for you that you need to run out and do right now. I'm coming to you from inside my car, so I'm sorry if it sounds a little weird. It's hot as Hades in here, so I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible. Alright guys, so before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on this awesome deal as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so this is going to be a pretty quick little video. I'm doing it from my car, from the van. I'm not even going to try to take this stuff inside and set it up or anything like that because my kids are in there watching TV doing their own thing. So we're just going to do it out here in the car really quickly because this is a Runn deal, okay? And whenever I say run, I mean throw your tennis shoes on. I don't care if you're still in your pajamas. I don't care if your hair's fixed. I don't care if you have makeup on. Grab your shoes. Put your shoes on when you're in the car. Grab that purse. Throw the kids in the car. It doesn't matter what they look like either. Just get in your car and start driving now, okay? But be careful. Keep your eyes on the road. I'm going to explain everything so you don't even really have to watch this video. Just listen while you're driving, okay? So, I want to say I went to DG this morning. I tried the all deal with the instant savings and the paper coupons and digital coupons. I tried it 4 or 5 different ways. Came out with different subtotals every single time. Nothing was working out correctly for me. So what I ended up doing was just picking up 2 by themselves, buy one get one, and using 2 of the 150 off 1 insert coupons and paid $2. So that made these $1 each, which is a great deal. Okay, this is a great deal. Buy one get one free is a great deal anyways. But we do have a glitch. But I do want to say my manager was an absolute angel. She worked with me. She was very patient. I said, look, I'm going to do these surveys on the bottom of my receipt, and you are an absolute angel, okay? There's no other way to say it. You are an absolute angel. She was so patient with me. She wanted to help me figure it out, so that was amazing. So, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Dawn's Deals, and also Tim in the comment section. He posted, I made a community post this morning telling everybody that the all deal was just kind of funky. Nothing was really working out right or being consistent even with the price. One of my transactions was $8, one was $9, one was 7 something, one was 11 something. So I'm not quite sure what is going on there, but it's not working. But this deal is. So hopefully you guys have multiple accounts. If you don't, call your family members, get their phone number, set up an account, and get that going today, okay? So, we have a 3-day sale. These are going to be buy one, get one free. We received a buy one, get one free digital coupon this morning. I'm going to pop it up here on the screen. So make sure that you clip that to your account. And what you want to do is pick up 2 of these at DG. Go up to the register, type in your phone number, and everything will come off just like magic, okay? The cashier's face was absolutely priceless. And then my lovely manager came over and she was like, what's going on? You're getting more of the all laundry detergent. And I was like, yeah, look what's going on. So she knew about it. And unfortunately, they only had 8 left. So she was like, she ran back. No, they had 10 left. I picked up 8. I have 4 accounts. So she ran back there in the back and got her the last 2, which I was very, very happy about because she was just, I can't even say enough about her. She was so nice and helpful with me this morning, and really, really had a lot of patience. And she was the only one working there, bless her heart, and she was working 2 registers at once. She would ring up people and then come back to me. But anyways, that's enough jibber jabber. But anyways, I'm going to take back the all that I bought this morning for like $8 and something, and I'm going to return that, get my money back so that she can get in on this deal too. Alright, so like I said, you want to pick up 2 of these. We have their buy one get one free, also a buy one get one free digital coupon, and you're going to pay 2 cents for both of these, so 1 penny each. Now I'm going to show you my receipt because there was a couple of differences. I'm not quite sure. Like I said, I haven't had time to sit down and kind of analyze the receipts yet. But I'm going to show you what I have. and then maybe somebody can figure it out. If you guys want to pause the video, take a look at my receipt, or just run out and do the deal and look at your own receipt. Okay, so here is one. Now on this account, I had the 125 off one digital coupon, and there was 2 store discounts that came off. One is the digital coupon and one is the sale. So I'm not quite sure how long this will go on. They may pull the coupon, who knows, but the subtotal was 2 cents. And then I've had to pay taxes, which was 12 cents. So 12 cents for both of those. Total savings of $9.98. And then here is another receipt that we have here. So this one also, same thing. I did have to pay taxes, and that did have that 125 off one digital coupon. And honestly, I had forgotten all about that. I didn't even think about it messing it up, but it didn't, because it is a manufacturer coupon. Now here's one where I did not have the digital coupon. So that worked out to be 2 cents, and I didn't even have to pay taxes. So it may be better if you guys don't have that digital coupon clipped to your account. So total savings $9.98. And then here's my fourth one. Again, the same thing. I did not have a digital coupon on this account. Total sale 2 cents, and I did not have to pay taxes. So if you do not have that 125 off one digital coupon on your account, it looks like you won't have to pay taxes. If you do have that 125 off one digital coupon, it looks like you will pay taxes, and that'll put you at, well, it just depends on your taxes, I guess. But anyways, it was 12 cents for me, which was still you know, you cannot beat it. Okay, this is penny shopping without having to go out on Tuesdays and scan everything. You're getting these for a penny each. So run out to your stores. Like I said, I don't care what you look like. I don't care if you got your pajamas on. I don't care if you've taken a shower, if you got makeup on, your hair's not done, whatever. Go run out, do this deal. Call your family members, get their phone numbers, get them account going, and hopefully your store will be stocked. But I have a feeling that these are going to go fast, so make sure that you get to DG today and do this deal. And please go over to Dawn's deals. I'm going to leave her video linked in the pinned comment below. So when you get done doing your doings today, doing your deals, please come back, watch that video, and give her a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for letting us know about this deal. And again, thank you so much to Tim for leaving me that comment to go and watch her video. She is amazing. She does all kinds of awesome videos all the time. She's on top of it. So if you guys are not already subscribed to Dawn's deals, make sure that you do that. Alright guys, so take off, run, do this deal, and if you score, please come back in the comment section and let me know how many you were able to find, how many you picked up, and how did it work out. Alright guys, now before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I know it's kind of a mess and I'm a little bit all over the place, but I wanted to get the information out as fast as possible. But if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. It really does help me out, and it makes a huge difference in how my video performs and all of that good stuff. And please leave me a comment down below, and do not forget to share this video with your family and friends, or if you have couponers that you share with on Facebook or whatever it may be, share the video so that they can get in on these deals too. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Good luck everybody. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you on the next one, which will be a Walgreens deals. We have so many freebies, so many cheap things going on, and I cannot wait to share with you what I found this week at Walgreens. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Love ya. Have a great day. Bye.